Hey, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Awair Omni IAQ and an IEQ monitor. In a way, it does both. So when we're thinking about indoor air quality, I think the five most important metrics, or the metrics that the industry is kind of standardizing across, are temperature, humidity, CO2, so carbon dioxide, TVOCs, total volatile organic compounds, and particulate matter, specifically PM 2.5. Aware does all of these things, and I first came across this device specifically at Greenbuild, I think in 2014 in New Orleans. Um, and I mean, immediately it was intriguing to me as like an indoor quality nerd, but also I think just the design of the device is really appealing. The LED indicators, the the different color indicators, the aware score, like it's all pretty comprehensive and intuitive, I think, and approachable, really, like even for people that aren't mechanical engineers necessarily, or even like building professionals. So other things I like about the Omni is that there's a couple different configurations. You can have it just freestanding on a desk like this with a little kickstand, or you can pretty easily pop this off and then do a wall mount installation with a couple different brackets if it's flush on the wall or in the wall. I also really appreciate if you're doing USB power, you can power it here off the back or off the bottom of the unit if you do go with a wall mounted configuration. Just the way everything's packaged is really nice. There's a little level sensor that comes with the in-wall mount. They give you like different mounting devices. Like the cord is nicely designed and matches the sensor, which surprisingly is something that sometimes isn't really well done on other units. Um, I think these were the first sensors that we at Morrissey Engineering put into our office, and we've been using them the longest, and using the online dashboard, which has been really good too. I think it's an intuitive product that is easy to show clients and give people access to for their own education and ongoing monitoring, which is really good. Um, the most interesting metric I think that people see as an output is probably CO2, and I think that's good because the sensors are the most established in terms of technology in a lot of these indoor air quality monitors. So specifically now we're using CO2 a little bit more as a proxy for ventilation in existing buildings, and that can be really good. Um, the product support that we've gotten from Aware and the relationships that we have with people at the company have also been really excellent. So it's currently a device that I would recommend to anyone, and certainly consider both for new construction and retrofit projects.